Timone Yachts followers, welcome back to the 5 stars yachting brokerage bar. Today I got head over heels. I'm on an oldie, an old beauty, an evergreen, Mangusta 105, 1998. Why is she special? Shop drive. Please look at this cockpit, because here is where you want to spend the whole summer vacation you got in 1 year. Enjoy. So we just said that when I'm the owner of this boat, meaning for sure in my next life, I'm spending my summer vacation out there in the cockpit, but here in this secretly spaced mezzanine salon, you want to spend here? You want to spend your Christmas vacation when not the New Year's Eve is so discreet, so mid-shaped mezzanine style. I just love it. From the cockpit to the mezzanine salon, down to the lower deck. Behind myself, the 5th guest head, meaning the day toilet. And down here, what you got the 4 guest stateroom, VIP up front. The master cabin amidship. And the 2 guests in between. A very classic layout. Perfect boat. Yes, the boat is 1998, but I can't tell you that everything is in mint conditions. Down here in the engine room, you won't find a sign of rust, and everything just look beautiful. You can imagine outside, the steel, the covering, the shadings, the cushions, everything is perfectly clean and very pleasant to see. One more time, in the next life, when I'm likely gonna be the owner of this boat, I would like to tell you that I'm gonna please myself while installing on board a gyro stabilizer, because in my opinion, is the only thing that this yacht is truly missing. Then it's gonna be complete. Of course, we're in the cockpit, and this is the right spot where you gotta gather around all your friends and family for sipping that glass, having that intimate talk under the stars in that warm summer night. What about if the summer night is too hot? Underneath here, there's a jacuzzi hot tub. Yes? Hello. I'm quite busy dreaming of my next boat.